Ready to fall in love with your new dream home? Nestled on a tranquil court in highly sought after Doon South, this move-in ready gem will captivate from the moment you arrive. Boasting an expansive floor plan with high-end finishes throughout and a full in-law setup in the walkout basement, this freshly painted home offers both comfort and luxury for every member of the family. Plus, you have a side concrete path and entrance for ease of use. And the exposed aggregate and stamped concrete driveway add curb appeal. So if you're ready, let's head inside and check out my top 7 reasons why you want to make this house your home. Number 7, bright and airy main floor. Step inside to discover a bright foyer welcoming you to your carpet-free main floor. Here you'll find beautiful touches like 9-foot ceilings, California shutters, solid plank hardwood and porcelain flooring, and updated light fixtures throughout. At the rear of the home, the large great room with soaring 20-foot ceilings offers views of your private backyard. This bright and airy space is the perfect gathering place for family and friends as it is bathed in natural light from the numerous windows. You'll love the custom millwork and quartz accents throughout. Number 6, main floor laundry. You'll also appreciate the convenience of a main floor laundry combo mudroom, which boasts quartz countertops as well as a powder room. Number 5, eat-in kitchen. Cook to your heart's content in this fantastic kitchen featuring stainless steel appliances, Brazilian marble countertops, under cabinet lighting, and subway tile backsplash. The large island with breakfast bar is ideal and offers room for everyone, while the adjacent dinette is perfect for family meals. You also have a formal dining room for special occasions. Number 4, private backyard. Step outside to your beautiful backyard. Enjoy lounging in the sun or barbecuing up a storm on your covered concrete patio, or head up to the second floor deck which overlooks this peaceful space. There's a large shed for extra storage and plenty of space for the kids or pets to play. This lush backyard is your serene escape from the everyday hustle. Number 3, bedrooms and bathrooms. Upstairs, discover 4 bright and airy bedrooms, including the spacious primary suite. This elegant retreat offers a walk-in closet and a 4-piece ensuite with stand-up shower and jetted soaker tub. The remaining bedrooms share a 4-piece bathroom with shower tub combo, and all the bathrooms in this home feature Brazilian marble countertops. Number 2, walkout basement with in-law setup. Head downstairs to find even more amazing space in the finished walkout basement, which is filled with light from the large windows. Relax in the generous family room complete with gas fireplace, or customize this area to suit your needs. The basement offers the perfect retreat for a teen or the in-laws as it comes complete with a full kitchen, a 4-piece bathroom with shower tub combo, and a bright bedroom. Number 1, location. This home is perfectly situated in the desirable and family-friendly Doon South neighborhood. You're moments away from excellent schools, parks, walking trails, Conestoga College, golf courses, and you have easy access to Highway 401 and the Expressway. Thanks for tuning in. If you're interested in this home, check out the website below. And for more great homes, don't forget to follow us on social media. For the Kostecki Real Estate Group, I'm Peter Kostecki. We'll see you at the next home.